So let's talk about something new that's making waves in the crypto world. It's called Vector Smart Chain, or VSC for short. Think of it like a new digital highway for money and applications. On this highway, the main vehicle, the main currency, is a coin called VSG. This coin is the fuel for everything that happens on the Vector Smart Chain. It powers transactions, it secures the network, and it lets people participate in all the new projects being built on it. It's really the heart of this growing digital economy. And understanding its role is key to seeing the bigger picture. Now you might be wondering, why should you care about another crypto coin? There are thousands out there, right? Well, VSG and the Vector Smart Chain are designed to be different. They aim to be faster, cheaper, and more efficient than some of the older, more established blockchains. Imagine trying to drive on a crowded city street during rush hour. That's what some older networks feel like. Vector Smart Chain wants to be the open, multi-lane freeway that avoids all that traffic. This focus on speed and low cost makes it really attractive for developers who want to build new things, from financial tools to games. The core idea here is simplicity and performance. For everyday users, this means sending money or using an application on the network doesn't come with huge fees or long waiting times. For developers, it means they have a solid foundation to create the next generation of decentralized applications. VSG is the coin that makes all of this possible. It's not just a digital asset to buy and sell, it's a utility token. That means it has a real job to do within its own ecosystem, which gives it fundamental value that goes beyond just market speculation. This brings us to the recent excitement. When a new project with solid technology starts to get noticed, people pay attention. The value of VSG isn't just a random number, it reflects the growing belief in the potential of the Vector Smart Chain. As more people learn about its advantages and see the projects being built on it, the demand for its native coin, VSG, naturally starts to climb. It's a simple case of supply and demand, driven by genuine technological promise and a clear vision for a more accessible and efficient decentralized future for everyone involved. Recently, something incredible happened with the price of VSG. It shot up like a rocket. We're talking about a massive surge of over 200% in a very short period. This wasn't just a small jump. The coin reached a new all-time high, breaking all its previous records. When something like this happens, it makes everyone in the crypto community turn their heads and ask, what's going on here? This kind of powerful movement shows that a lot of new energy and interest is flowing into the project, signaling a major shift in how people see its value and future potential. So, what caused this huge price increase? A big part of the answer is visibility. Imagine you have an amazing product, but nobody knows it exists. Now imagine that product gets featured on the biggest shopping website in the world. That's exactly what is happening with the upcoming integration of VSG on CoinMarketCap. This website is the #1 place people go to check crypto prices and discover new projects. Getting listed there is a huge stamp of approval. It tells millions of potential investors that VSG is a serious project worth looking at. This visibility is a game changer. Being on CoinMarketCap means VSG will have its own dedicated page with Media Group CoinMarketCap page showing live price chart and market data for VSG, close-up of crypto dashboard featuring live charts at stock at distribute_equally, live price charts, market data, and links to the project's official website and social channels. It makes the coin accessible to a global audience of investors, researchers, and enthusiasts. Suddenly, VSG is no longer a hidden gem. It's on the main stage, right alongside the biggest names in cryptocurrency. This exposure alone is enough to create a huge wave of demand, as new buyers can now easily find, research, and gain confidence in the project. And it doesn't stop there. Another major listing is on the horizon with CoinGecko, which is another top-tier crypto data platform. Think of it as getting a second, equally powerful recommendation. Having VSG on both CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko is like having your company listed on both the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. It provides credibility, transparency, and massive exposure. These listings are not just about a temporary price pump. They represent a fundamental step forward for the entire Vector Smart Chain, marking its arrival as a legitimate and recognized player. The excitement around VSG isn't just because of listings, it's about what's being built. The Vector Smart Chain ecosystem is expanding rapidly with real products and tools. For example, new exchanges are starting to support VSG, which makes it much easier for people to buy and sell the coin. More exchanges mean more liquidity, which is the lifeblood of any healthy market. This makes the coin more stable and attractive to larger investors. It's like opening more stores in different cities to sell your product. It simply makes it more accessible to everyone. Beyond exchanges, there are powerful decentralized finance or DeFi tools being developed. These are tools that let you do things like lend, borrow, and earn interest on your crypto without needing a traditional bank. One of the flagship projects is the Bank of Vector, which aims to be a central hub for all financial activities on the chain. Imagine a digital bank that is open 24/7 with lower fees and more control in your hands. This is the kind of innovation that draws users and developers to the VSC network, creating real demand for the VSG coin to power these activities. One of the most exciting developments is the plan for real-world crypto cards. This is a huge step toward bridging the gap between digital currency and everyday life. Imagine being able to use your VSG to buy coffee or groceries, just like you would with a regular debit card. This kind of practical, real-world utility is what separates promising projects from mere speculation. When people can use a cryptocurrency in their daily lives, it becomes more than just an investment. It becomes a true medium of exchange, which is the ultimate goal for any currency. All of these projects, the new exchanges, the DeFi tools, the Bank of Vector, and the crypto cards, work together to create a powerful and self-reinforcing ecosystem. Each new product adds another reason for people to use the Vector Smart Chain. And every time someone uses the chain, they need VSG to do it. This creates a constant cycle of demand that supports the coin's value. It's not just one thing driving the growth, it's a whole collection of innovations being built on a solid technological foundation, all pointing toward a very bright future. The numbers behind Vector Smart Chain's growth tell a very clear story. We've seen the network's user base explode. Just a few months ago, the number of active wallets was in the thousands. Today, we are talking about hundreds of thousands of active users. This isn't just a 10% or 20% increase, it's exponential growth. Think of it like a small town suddenly growing into a bustling city. This rapid expansion in users shows that people are not just speculating on VSG, they are actively joining and participating in the ecosystem, creating real network effects that drive long-term value. To get the word out, the VSC team has launched some major marketing campaigns. They recently secured a feature in Crypto Magazine, a well-known publication in the industry. This puts the project in front of experienced crypto readers and investors. Furthermore, the team is making appearances at major blockchain conferences, networking with other leaders and showcasing their technology. They've even sponsored a racing team, putting the VSC logo on a fast car. This is a smart move that associates the brand with speed, performance, and cutting-edge technology, reaching a whole new audience outside of crypto circles. So why are people so bullish on the future of VSG and Vector Smart Chain? It comes down to a combination of solid technology, real-world utility, and strategic growth. The chain is built to be fast and cheap, solving real problems that plague older networks. The ecosystem is expanding with useful products like DeFi tools and crypto cards that people will actually want to use. The listings on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are bringing massive visibility, and a strong marketing push is building brand recognition across the globe. This is why the current excitement feels like it's just the beginning. We are witnessing the foundation being laid for something much bigger. Each new user, each new project, and each new partnership adds another layer of strength to the network. The journey from a small, unknown project to a major player on the world stage is well underway. For investors and users who believe in the power of efficient blockchain technology and its potential to change the world, the Vector Smart Chain and its native VSG coin represent a very compelling opportunity for the future.